Tired of having too many devices but limited power? Or drowning in the mess of your data cable? Introducing the 120-watt GAN charging station, which provides multiple ports and can clear up the multiple chargers and power sockets on your desk. Tiny in size, but huge in power. Total power of 120 watts with PD 3.0 provides a maximum charging power of 100 watts for a MacBook, compatible with all fast charging protocols and can power up to 7 devices at a time. But that's not all. This charging station is detachable and can be carried around. With a patented AC and DC detachable structure, it can be easily carried with you wherever you go, providing a comprehensive charging service at any time. The power indicator on the front of the product changes according to the current charging power, making it easy to monitor the charging efficiency. It's also equipped with a physical control switch, surge detection function, and ground detection function, making it safer to use. Furthermore, a maximum of 65-watt C port is specifically designed on the side to seamlessly power multiple devices and perfectly integrate into your desktop aesthetics. The 120-watt GAN charging station will become an indispensable partner on your desktop, whether you're working from home or at an office. It will make your electronic devices charge faster, safer, and more convenient. Become a supporter of the 120-watt GAN charging station. Let's create a better charging experience together.